Now, actually, before I get you to the apartment space, I'd love to actually show you around the kids' playground. Yeah. One of the key things about that the development has actually been really trying to do is to ensure we have also spaces not just for the grown-ups, but also for the kids. And we actually called in some kids, and they designed to us a beautiful space where they can play around. They have their water fountains, they have their play areas. All this actually made with earthbugs. Yeah. And it's just beautiful seeing them. You saw the kids earlier as we were coming in here, the bicycles and all that. So just to be able to give them a nice, safe environment where they can be able to actually play around, walk around. We've got fruits actually hanging right above where they're walking from. You know, it's actually amazing. You know, actually, better yet, I see Franco just up ahead. Perhaps I could try and grab him just a bit and he could give us a small brief on what he's actually doing, because he's responsible for all these spaces. Franco.
Hello, Kevin.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, thank you. How are you?
Do you mind if you have a minute for me?
No, study work.
Yeah, good.
Hello.
We have a couple of our clients who are actually here who were inquiring about some of the green spaces and the children's playground that we've been actually working on. I thought it would be best if perhaps if you gave us a brief on that.
Yes, obviously we have a very natural approach here in Fumba town, and we want to be as sustainable as possible. So when we started to choose the material, we work in our parks with natural material, which is the coral rock, the coral gravel, mvumbi, kifusi, very inexpensive. Then we plant kind of a forest system, which later going to help us to cool the air. You're in the town, you walk around the roads, you have a nice and cool atmosphere around you. That system is productive. We call this food forest. You know, papayas, cassavas, shelly, topper, all these timbers. We have medicinal plants, we have ponds to attract birds and fishes. We do composting. All organic waste from the citizen gets turned in organic fertilizer, and then we started at Fumba, at the permaculture design company on our site, to grow vegetables. We have by now about 1,000 chickens, we have ducks, we just bought some geese, we have goats. So we're trying to kind of connect the city with kind of producing some of the food that we consume later. So it takes us time, you know, but we're harvesting the first fruits from the long-term trees as well. So it's nice to see the successes coming through, and it's going to get better over the years, I think.
Yeah, as the town grows, will there be more kids play areas, public pools and the likes?
Yes, I mean, obviously.
What we have here?
Yes, obviously we want to work together with the community also to create these further spaces and places. So now with the first one, with this playground and with the kiosk, it's like a community space. We see what do people like or what is still demand. We have this communication on a Friday with the citizen, and they say, we want for the Versailles, maybe something where they can play jazz, or the mother says, we want to do yoga.
So you're more listening to the community to be able to see what spaces are coming up.
Yes, because we want to create places for people. You know, and so we need their opinion on that.
Oh, okay. Thanks so much. Sorry I stole a bit of your time from that.
Okay,
but I
you.
do appreciate the time you've taken from that.
You're welcome.
Okay, ciao.
Thank you, bye.
As you heard from Franco, you know, one of the things that they want to do with the area is the sustainability approach for the development. To be able to not just have an environment that, look at all that beautifulness, but actually also, in addition, having productivity coming in. We've got our papayas, our bananas. I'm loving more and more of this place. Yeah.